Kungaloosh friends, just a quick reminder that you can help support this channel if you go to manscaped.com, use the promo code Cretans on any purchase, whether it be individual or a pack. You will support the channel, and at the same time, you will get 20% off and free shipping at manscaped.com. Link in the description. Kungaloosh and happy holidays, everybody. We got the whole clan here today. And Alicia, what do we got in your hand there?
We've got our holiday tree hunt.
Yeah, this one's gonna be a little more epic, I guess, compared to the Halloween one. But here's the Christmas tree we gotta find in all over Universal property, City Walk included. Here's the one for the main Universal store.
How many more to go?
One down, how many more to go? I think it's 16, so there's a lot to go.
Yeah.
All right, tree number 2. We are going to try and knock these out as fast as we can. Hey, Alicia. Hey, look, there it is, right in front of us, too. Okay. We got not Tinkerbell flying around the castle topper.
You know what it smells like?
What does it smell like, Rob?
Multiple layers of onion.
Multiple layers of onion? That's a Shrek joke if you didn't get it. Oh, I like that. Yeah, I was just noticing the topper. Holiday experience, because this is the only limited amount we can do this year.
Oh my.
So if you didn't know, this is the area where they would do some of the main attraction haunted houses for Halloween Horror Nights, but they have all the Macy Day Parade balloons set up in here. Because you know, in years past the balloons would be on a parade, but now you have to come see them. Oh, look at all that. Hey, how you doing? Merry Christmas. Oh, this place is awesome. Holy cow. Wow. Hard to believe people were screaming in fear just about a month ago in this room. Oh, guys, look at this minion float. I really like this rocket sled. The giant inflatable pineapple. Oh, there's the big guy himself right there.
What do you guys want for Christmas? What do you want, Michael?
Legos. Nutcracker. Oh, and it ends with a nice little snowstorm out here in Florida. So that was a really cool experience, actually going to see the balloons instead of the balloons walking around you. I really enjoyed that.
The most we've seen of them, because we avoid parades.
Yeah, parades usually come and we go the opposite direction. So that was really nice, being able to just walk around and look at them.
Yeah.
Tribute store time. They replaced Frankenstein with Santa. $6? Yeah, why not? So what happened was the two pieces of the mold came together, and it's inserting the wax, and there's Santa right there. So he pushed them down, and go ahead and grab him.
Oh, that's hot.
Yeah, he's hot, isn't he? There you go. Nice little wax Santa. Or plastic Santa now.
Yeah.
Oh, be good. Subscribe. Oh man, the secondary room. This is where all the pumpkins were. Holy cow, they really changed this room up. Oh, there's another. Oh. What's this one? A snowman.
It's Frosty.
Sure, it's unlicensed Frosty. I kind of like that way. I kind of like that guy. You know what, guys?
What?
Mom's over there. Oh, she's coming this way. Don't say anything. Don't say anything. Maybe we can get in and she won't notice. There it goes. All right. She's over there. She's not looking. Yeah, keep her distracted. Keep her over there. Keep her over there. Oh, the condensation on that. Oh, hi, hon. Hi. Yeah, this is nothing. Nothing's going on here.
One for Robbie, one for me.
Yeah. Yeah, one, yeah. Go ahead, Rob. So this is them, Santa and Frosty. Or not Frosty, but that's definitely Santa. Blood red Santa. Here's some of the ornaments and mugs. I always love mugs, you know me, mug guy. Some of these look incredible. All right, yeah, I want to do the cupcake. The confetti cupcake. That looks pretty good.
Of course, the gingerbread whoopie pie looks good too.
Yeah.
But the edible cookie dough.
Alicia wants to do the edible cookie dough tree. What do you guys want to share?
I want to share like those
The
are.
Santa Dream cookie?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so far here's how I'm doing with the confetti cupcake. This is actually really good. It's one of the better cupcakes I've ever had, and the thing is massive. It's a lot bigger than I thought it was. Rob, how's your cookie going there? You guys aren't a big fan of the jelly beans, it looks like, that they put on. You do know those aren't the Harry Potter trick ones, right?
I don't want to take chances.
You don't want to take the chance. And you're, oh, okay, I guess you like that. Why do they gotta call it edible cookie dough? You know if it's cookie dough, people are gonna eat it regardless. Yeah, make sure I got all that green frosting off. I didn't want to look like I just devoured the Hulk. The Hello Kitty tree. This one is part of the hunt. Still don't know what we get at the end. I guess we'll find out all together. Here's the big, massive tree for this year. They told me there's a thing about this tree. It opens up and a little guy is in there. It is big, isn't it? Found him. If that's supposed to be him, I think it is.
What is that?
Oh, there he goes. Yeah, he's going back in. It's the Hair Traders. This is where another one of the trees are. Let's take a look. Ooh, look. Look at the snakes. The King Tutman. Oh, this is a neat tree. Oh, I like the scarab. The scarabs look nice. Barney's going on over there. All right, so we got 2 more trees left in Universal, and one of them's right in here. Oh, wow. You know what? I think this is my favorite tree, actually. Just based on how colorful and lively it is. Oh, this is actually a really nice tree. Now we're heading over to Islands. And then we need to do the ones that they have at City Walk. Here inside the Chocolate Emporium is one of the trees for the scavenger hunt. There's 2 in City Walk. The other one, we'll get to it dead last because it's also a collection area. I love this chocolate / steampunk theme it has. All right, Island Market and Export. That's where the first tree for Islands is, and wow, I assume this is it right here. It's kind of Harry Potter-ish. I like the pads. That's neat. Nice touch. Oh, do you see the very top? There's the Quidditch hoops. That's cool. Here we are at Grinchmas, and unfortunately they're not doing the Whoville Grinchmas play show this year, which is a real shame because that's one of our highlights every year. I like the decorations over here. We got the Whoville residents. Hi guys, how you doing? Merry Christmas. All right, here's where we get the Seuss Christmas tree. Oh, you can see Grinch right here at the entrance. There we go. I like the Grinch fingers sticking out. That's a really nice touch. This is a good tree. Oh, look at that. They got a Robbie-sized door over there. Rob, you want to take the camera through there?
Okay.
Hold on tight.
Okay, everybody, we're going in. Got a medieval dungeon type thing there that's going on in here. Wait, me, what? By the way, like and subscribe. You need to.
Alright, that's it for Seuss Landing. Now, moving on to Lost Continent. These scavenger hunt challenges, they are a challenge because they're multi-park plus city walk. And on a day like today where the park closes early, that is a really tricky challenge to try and pull off in one day. Especially when you got a couple of slow pokes with you.
I'm not slow.
You're not slow.
He is.
Alright, here we go for another tree. Treasures of Poseidon.
A skull.
Holy cow. Where's the skull? Oh, right there.
But you got the skeleton on it.
Oh. Oh, wow. Okay. I think this is becoming my favorite tree. I love these glass balls and rope. Never just they're significant. They just look really cool. Okay, this is a cool tree. Believe it or not, they didn't have any trees in the scavenger hunt here in Hogmeade. That's so odd. God, look at that shot. It's just so awesome. How they it's stunning. How beautiful it is. All right, so the next tree we're looking for is in Jurassic Park. Hopefully it's not in King Kong. There's the view tower for the Velocicoaster. You can see one of the loops over there. Look at this curve. That's insane. There's got to be like a ton of G's in that. Plus there's some ramp in the rocks. Oh man. This is going to be a wild ride when it opens. Having to take a quick little pit stop because being out of shape is not good on your hips. Especially when you forget you take your pain meds. Anyway, I really hope this ornament, whatever they're giving away, I hope it's worth it, because the difference between what they did for Halloween and now, for Halloween it was just Universal, pretty much the same thing. You go around to all the different shops and you get a stamp and then you'll get a bag of complimentary candy. It was completely free. Great idea, and the payoff was worth it.
But now it's $9.
Yeah, it's the scavenger hunt is like $9 and something, so $10 with tax and all that. And I'm really hoping that the payoff is not just a bag of candy. All right, here we go. Jurassic Outfitters. Another I'm not drunk. I swear I'm not drunk. Oh wow, look at that! I love the Dinosaurs Ruled the Earth banner. Oh, that's so cool. This one doesn't have a topper, but it's still pretty cool. Oh, it's got dino eggs in it. Oh, that's neat. That's a nice touch. Up next, Toon Lagoon, and we are making some pretty good timing. So we got, how many trees we got left inside Islands, hon? 2? 3. We got 3 left. Hey, Hagrid. Hope you don't... Haggard? Yeah, him too. Hope you don't mind. We're going into your shop to look at a tree. Cleverly disguised as a responsible adult. I'm not fooling anybody if I wear that. It's like, oh, hey Betty. Oh wow, look at this tree. Holy cow. That is real pink. Actually, you know what? We need to get a dress like this for Alicia. Ain't that right, Betty? Yeah, we were just thinking about the naming structure here at Marvel. They have comics and ice cream and diner and more comics. But the place we're looking for is called Store. Just, that's it, Store. And of course, here we are at the world famous Store. Just Store. So between Thor's hammer, Iron Man's mask, comics, more Iron Man mask. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this is definitely the the Marvel Christmas tree. It's nice, I like it. So as we're heading out of Islands, we got all the stamps just in time too. The park is in the process of closing up, maybe another 15 minutes. We got to get the last one that is in City Walk. All right, here we go. The Universal Store at City Walk. This is our last tree of the hunt. Is this it right here? I think that's it. That's a crazy tree. I like it. Is this it? Is this the last one?
This is our last tree.
Hallelujah.
Thank goodness, it's a long day.
Yes, it is. I like these ornaments with the classic Universal rides. Let's get our stamp.
Look at the stamp. There you go.
You want to no, that's gonna be over in the prison.
There you go. That is a whole day Universal.
And it's good. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Oh, angle that down a little. Oh, okay. That's not too bad. Let's see the other side. Holiday tree hunt. Oh, nifty. What's it? Is it made of plastic?
No,
No, like glass?
that sounds ceramic.
Ceramic? Like, oh, so that's fragile. Nice. Okay, so I think that was worth it.
Yeah.
Yeah. That was our trip to Universal.
Yes.
Like I said, next time you'll see us, we'll be doing the Give Kids a World, or give
Night of a Million Lights.
Night of a Million Lights. I'll say it right. I'll say it the right way when we get there. Until then, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe, because when you do that, you might start off as a stranger, but you only end up a little strange. Good night.